Hi guys, this is Ahhhsoneo with my mom, Nail. I'm Diane. Yeah, my mom recently had a birthday and here is one of her gifts. She's going to unbox it for you. I don't know what it is. Could it be a purse? Could it be a scarf? Could it be a necklace? So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nail and you just heard my lovely director Diane during my intro part today. Hi Diane.
Hi,
I do have a very quick unboxing today. I've cut the box open already. I got this a couple of weeks ago, I have to admit. And I'm only now getting around to doing the unboxing because, you know, life is what it is sometimes. But I did have a birthday and I did get other gifts from my family. But I always like to do an unboxing of what I got for myself. And I'll link some of those down below. It came in this UPS box from Bloomingdale's because I love Tiffany of Bloomingdale's. Hi Tiffany, thanks for sending this out. So let's get into it. You know from the thumbnails that it is definitely Louis Vuitton, and if you follow me on Instagram then you probably know what this is because I have put up a couple of little hints and pictures already. So I must admit when the UPS guy gave me this box like this all banged up, I got a little worried that it was gonna be squished. So I was very careful in opening it just to take a peek, and everything looks fine. But I mean, I just thought, well, why does it look like that? Kids, man. So anyway, so I was a little bit worried, and as you can see, the envelope that the receipt came in is a little folded over, but oh well. UPS, right? So what I got is, you'll see in a second. Oh, I thought the name was on here because I don't know the name. I think it's called the Louis Vuitton Trunks collection from 2018. I'll have to look that up. And it's very, very simple. I love it when the bandeaus come always so neatly packaged. And let's see which one it is. Ah, ha, 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 ha. Oh, yes. Bandeau M&G trunk. I don't know what that means. The code number is M70746, the number. Yeah. And I don't know, these were not attached to it. I don't know. They typically attach, so, oh well. That's what matters, right? Yes, look at this thing. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. Wow. If you know me, you know I'm not really a fan of the monogram print. I know this is my only bag in the monogram print. When it's on a bag, I just think it's too much. I love it on luggage, like if you're gonna go all the way, go all the way. But on a purse, a big purse, I just think it's a little too much. So even though I don't collect bags in the monogram print, I do love accessories in the monogram print because it's like a little dose, and I like a little dose. I love the whole trunks here, especially this like Kiss Me lock here, and this. When Louis Vuitton came out with the trunks collection, I think back in like about 10 years ago, they had a keychain that was just this piece and then the gold hanging from it. And I always wanted that. I wanted it in red. Pomme d'Amour was the color. This is probably more than 10 years ago. I could never find one. But I just thought it was so spectacular. So I love it seeing it here on the bandeau. And then of course on the other side is this other lock here and the letters LV. Like you really needed another LV on this because there's just not enough LVs all over this thing. Anyway, yeah, for whatever reason, I was not a fan of the bags in this. I loved the key charm and I loved the SLGs that came in this print, but I wasn't a fan of the collection. For me personally, I thought it was a little busy. I'd love to see it in real life though, because that's the difference. I haven't seen it in real life, so what do I know? Everything looks better in real life. So, yeah. Alright guys, so that is it. That is my rather quick unboxing, just one little thing I got for my birthday.
Woohoo!
I know, thank you. Mommy's old, huh? There she goes. One little thing I got for my birthday, and yeah, I think I have a Sephora haul video coming up if I can. This is not working, huh? I can't see what I'm doing. Other little things that I got. So, anyway, this will have to do. So, yeah. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Tiffany, for sending this out. It's always lovely working with you. Hopefully the UPS guy will get it together and not mash up my boxes next time around. So, yeah, that's it. Quick unboxing. Hope you guys like it. I'll put the name in. What did you say?
Thanks for watching. Hope you subscribe and write a comment. My mom likes to chat with those of you that comment a lot.
That is true. I do like to chat, especially with people who leave comments. Thanks, guys. Thanks for subscribing, for watching, for always supporting. Truly appreciate it. This is Neo from Ahhhsoneo. Bye.
Bye.